Helicopter spins out of control at Texas airport, crashes into parked plane. A helicopter lost control during takeoff at Pearland Regional Airport on Sunday morning. The Robinson A-44 helicopter began to spin just after takeoff, causing panic amongst onlookers. Only the pilot was aboard during this alarming incident, which was captured on video. The helicopter collided with a parked small plane, causing significant damage to both aircraft. Fortunately, no injuries were reported from this dramatic crash, highlighting safety concerns. Stay tuned for more updates on aviation incidents.